Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a doodle screenshot in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this page itself. And to take a doodle screenshot, go to notification area and click on S capture and click on funny screenshot and click on doodle screenshot. And here you can content in the doodle area will be the captured. Here what I written content in the doodle area will be the screenshot. That means draw any doodle on the screen and within that doodle the screenshot area covered will be the screenshot. So I make a doodle like this. Wow, what a funny here. And click on the save button. This doodle area will be the screenshot. And if you want to edit, you can use editing tool. And click on the tick mark. Click on save finally. Doodle screenshot is saved, and to locate the doodle screenshot, go to files in your phone and click on internal storage, click on DCIM folder, DCIM folder and click on screenshots folder, and at last you will find the latest screenshot that you captured. Yes, this is doodle screenshots that I took using funny screenshot in my phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. What a funny here. Enjoy.